The SE scooter is a classic mobility scooter that offers a combination of comfort, safety, and reliability. The SE scooter belongs to the family of large mobility scooters, designed to carry up to 500 pounds for 30 miles. The swiveling orthopedic seat and folding armrest give easy access. The extra strong reinforced steel chassis, combined with the rear power unit, guarantees good road adhesion in any terrain. SE Scooter's large wheels enable it to move through rough terrain around obstacles. SE Scooter's advanced electronic controls are easy and simple to use. A power switch, a battery charge indicator, a switch controlling forward or backward motion, headlights, turn indicator. The speed switch allows the driver to change from half speed at 5 miles per hour to full speed of 10 miles per hour. The SE scooter comes in 2 models: a single-seat SE scooter and an SE scooter with an extra wide seat for those wishing to drive with a partner or for extra space. Afiscooter Electric Vehicles has been a leading developer and manufacturer of mobility scooters for over 30 years. We have a full range of mobility scooters available with a wide selection of accessories to suit all needs.